Hi, I'm going to show you today how to use a tool called Smart Thinking, which is a proofreading service that can help you fix any issues you might have with grammar or APA style or anything like that. You go over here into the tools of your left-hand navigation menu. Just click on that. Then when your tools comes up, you just scroll down till you find the Smart Thinking login right here and click on that. Then you will get this screen. If you have pop-ups enabled, it'll work pretty good. Even if you have some pop-ups blocked, it still kind of works, but you'll have to check and make sure your system is compatible. So you just click here to continue down at the bottom. Then you get to this window, and to submit a paper you go over here to the Writing Center, and then just select that you want a grammar and documentation review, and then you will get to this screen, which you have to enter some information, and you can put the name of the course here. I'm just going to put healthcare management, and you can put my name here or whoever your professor's name is, and put in your due date. It's going to take a day or two to get this back, so be sure you give enough time. And then you can put your name of your paper here, and then put a description in of your course, what your paper's about, and how long it's supposed to be. And then you go down a little farther and it says many Smart Thinking e-instructors are experts on specific types of writing. So you can either pick first available, or if English is your second language, maybe you want this, or if you want business or technical writing or creative writing. I'm just going to select first available, and then I'm going to browse for a file. I've got one named Final Paper here. And then I'm going to submit. And then you get to review what you're submitting. And over here it says Confirm Submission. And then you get a notice saying you have successfully submitted it. So you just go OK. And it brings you back here. Then you'll get an email from support@smartthinking.com saying that your submission has been received. And then once it's all been checked, you get another email saying that your essay has been returned. Okay? Then once you know it's been returned, you get into Smart Thinking again. And then you go over here to Personal Archive, and it will show you what papers you've submitted. See, there's the one I just submitted, but I had done one earlier. And here's the one that has been returned. So you click on that, and you get this, and you can download your original file, and you can download your tutor response. So if you click on Download Tutor Response, you then get that asking you what you want to open it up in. And then you get a nice little report where they introduce themselves to you, and it will tell you all about your they go into just about everything. So you read through there. And then you get down to your paper. And you'll see where they have made comments here. In bold, they'll put their comments right in there. And you can go through and see what you need to fix and what you can leave alone. Then you can just save that, or you can leave it in the Smart Thinking. I'm not sure how long it stays in there though, but I would pull out the comments from the tutor, the download tutor response. I would save that and then make changes on your paper. All right, let me know if you have any questions.